Are you looking for a remedy that will help you to stop your itching scalp, dandruff, hair fall, hair breakage, help you to kill lice on your hair, help you to retain length, give you fuller hair, healthy hair, promote faster hair growth? This video is the right video for you. Only thing you need to do to watch the video to the end so that you get all the instruction on how to use this recipe. On today's video, our ingredient is neem leaf, fresh neem leaf. Neem leaf have a lot of benefits in our hair. If you want to kill lice on your hair, please go and look for neem and it will help you a lot. You want to treat your dandruff, you want fuller, thicker hair, neem leaf will help you on that. Do not let down on these plants. There are different ways you can use these plants to grow your hair like never before. So on today's video, we are doing juice out of this leaf. So I will still tell you other way you can use these plants to grow your hair. There's a lot of benefits in using these plants on your hair. These plants will give you fuller hair. If your hair is thinning, you want fuller hair, this plant is that remedy that will help you to achieve that. If you want to stop your hair fall, you want to treat lice on your hair, this plant is that best option that you need to try, and it will help to kill lice on your hair, stop irritation, stop itching scalp, and also dandruff. I just plug one full hand of my neem leaf and I'll go off camera to wash it. After washing it, I bring my blender to transfer my fresh neem leaf into the blender. But while using this recipe, make sure that you wash it thoroughly. So I wash mine 3 times, so make sure I wash it very well to remove dirty and impurities. Okay, so I'll transfer it into my blender. Next thing, I pour in a little water so that it can help the blender to blend this leaf. So I'll be blending this on camera, okay, so you guys can see how my blender crushed this. The property on neem can kill the fungus that cause dandruff. Neem can cleanse and strengthen hair follicles, which can lead to stronger, healthy hair. It's an antioxidant that can prevent premature growing. Neem can help stop itching scalp, dandruff. Neem can kill lice and the eggs. Neem contains vitamins, mineral and fungi and fatty acid. It can also improve hair texture and reduce breakage and split ends. Neem can moisturize the scalp and treat scalp infections. After blending it, I transfer it into this plate. This is how it look like. My blender really did a good job. So next thing, I bring my another bowl and my shift cloth to shifter it. This part is very necessary. If you don't want to sleep in the bathroom, if you don't want to have particles of this leaf in your hair, you need to follow these parts. You need to follow this step and make sure you're using something that have very tiny hole so that you will not have residues of this leaf in your hair. Okay, after shiftering it, this is what I got so far. I bring my spray bottle and transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. As you can see, I did not add product into this neem juice because only the juice will do wonders on your hair. You don't need another thing to add on it. So this is how my hair is looking like. I'm going to use this juice now to hydrate my hair very well. How to use this neem juice to get faster hair growth, to kill lice on your hair, to stop your itching scalp and treat your dandruff. Just apply it on a clean hair. Do not apply this on a dirty hair. Make sure your scalp and the strands of your hair are clean for you to get best results. Okay, apply it generously on the scalp and also on the strands of your hair. Use this neem juice the way I'm instructing you. In a 1 week time, if you have lice on your hair, before 1 week, say bye-bye to that lice. This neem juice is very effective in killing lice on your hair. Also, if you're experiencing itching scalp, only one application, you will see your itching scalp will stop immediately. If your hair is suffering for dandruff, also one application in 1 week time and also in one application, you see great change on your hair. You don't need to joke with this juice. Yes, it's very simple to prepare, but it's very potent. This juice is very powerful and very potent and very strong. You don't need to joke with it. Don't let down on this. If you are looking for fuller hair, you want to thicken up your hair, you need your hair to be too full, your hair is always falling excessively, you need to use the juice the way I just instruct you by using it on a clean hair and also on a clean scalp. Apply it very well and make sure you massage your scalp whenever you use this juice. Whenever you use the juice on your hair, give yourself a very gentle scalp massage. Cover up your hair. If you have steamy cap, use your steamy cap to cover your hair 40 to 45 minutes. If you don't have steamy cap, use your shower cap to cover your hair from 1 hour 2 hours. Okay, if you are not using steamy cap, please, if you're using only your shower cap, make sure you leave this in from 1 hour so that this juice can do very great job on your hair. Don't be in hurry to rinse this out if you really want to solve that your hair problem. Okay, if you want faster hair growth, thicker hair growth, use this neem juice once in a week. And also there's other ways you can use this neem leaf to make another great product that can help you to grow your hair like never before. It can make oil out of this neem leaf. It can also make tea spray out of this neem leaf. It can also make hair paste out of this neem leaf. It can also make hair mask out of this neem leaf. All of them are very effective in using it to grow your hair. All you need to do is to be consistent. If you're using it as a leave-in tea spray, make it. And also I'll be making that video on how to use this neem leaf as a leave-in tea spray for you to see how to prepare it as a leave-in tea spray. And also if you want me to make neem leaf oil, also let me know. Okay, and I'm going to make that oil. Believe me, this will grow your hair like never before. This will thicken up your hair like never before. If you really want to grow your hair, you need to hold on this recipe very well. Use it and you're going to see how your hair will grow. Use this once in a week. In 1 month time, your hair will thicken up like crazy. Guys, I'm not joking. A trial will convince you. And if you already tried this recipe before, please let me know your result in comment section below. And if you have not tried before, please try it out and come back and give me your feedback. You will never regret coming across this video because this video is all in one. There's no joke on this recipe. Using this recipe the way I direct you, you will tell me thank you. Your hair will change from good. This recipe will transform your hair from good. And also if you want your hair if you want to prevent premature graying, this leaf can also help you to prevent premature graying. It can also grow your hair super faster, control hair fall. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to click on that subscribe button. You will never regret coming across the channel and you never regret joining this beautiful family. I teach how to grow your hair healthy, longer, fuller with home remedies. This is one of those recipes. Okay, to have healthy hair, you don't need to break the bank. Okay, and please, once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload amazing video like this. And please help me to like this video. It really encourages me to push out more good content out there, and also it helps the growth of the channel. Leave a comment in comment section below. Let me know what you think in today's video, and share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. This will be closing today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Remain blessed out there. Bye.